Hi and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to write your own promo email to your subscribers. A promo email that serves a role as a pre-sale. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, writing the subject line for the email. In this case, I'm going to write as if this is a brand new product that is going to launch soon. New list building how-to course with PLR. This is the subject line for this promo email. You need to let them know what is inside the email through the subject line. This is to get them to click on your email and read it. A simple subject line will do. The complicated one stands a higher chance to be deleted because it sounds like a scam or being sent to the spam. Moving on, you can start your content by conveying a message regarding the problems that they may be facing nowadays. For example, in this email, I am writing in a way to tell them the fact that list building is getting more critical and important as the number of online stores and sales sites have grown at a lightning speed. This sentence alone will tell them the problem, or maybe facing it in the future. And you are there to show them the product that can be a solution to solve this problem, which leads us to the next element, which are the benefits. With the implementation of your product, their problem can be solved. This should be the main point in the promo email. If you have a bonus to offer them, do not hesitate. However, it must be congruent to your product. And then attach with the link to the download page of the bonus. And then end it with your signature. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.